Hello. In this video, I'll show you how you can use our website if you want to get help with your homework when you're on your phone. I've made a different video that I'll link to that shows you how to do it from a computer. And we will primarily help you in Swedish, but I've made these instructions in English in case you find it difficult to understand in Swedish how to use our system to get help. The first thing that you should do when you're on the website is to find the page for the region that you live in. So for example, that can be in Stockholm or Gothenburg or Lund right now. So if you live in Lund, for example, you should click on that page. And exactly how the help will work and what you need to do to get help from us is a bit different depending on which region you're in. But it's similar enough that if I show you for Lund now, you should be able to understand how to do it for the others as well. There are 3 different functions that you can use to get help from us. So there are 3 ways you can contact us and 3 ways that we can help you. The first is a chat, and that chat is always open. So you can always click your way there and ask a question, write a question to us. But we will only respond on certain times each week. That's when we will actually check if people have written something. And it will say on the web page for your region what those times are in that region. So in Lund, for example, it says Monday to Thursday at 7 p.m. So that's roughly when you can expect a response if you write to us at any other time. To open the chat, you'll need an app on your phone called Hangouts. But if you don't have Hangouts and you click on the chat button, it will automatically help you install it. So I'll show you how to do that now. I'm going to click on this chat button. And you'll have to log in with your Google account. If you don't have a Google account, you'll have to create one. And then you will be taken to this screen where you can just click install and it will install Hangouts for you. Once Hangouts is installed, I'll go back to the web page. And now when I click on this chat button, Hangouts will open and I will be taken directly to the chat. You can then write messages just like you do when texting someone, for example. You can also send us photos or images if you have that. And you can take photos if you click on this camera symbol at the bottom. And if you click on the other camera, like this, you can take a video and send it in the chat. And both those things can be very useful for us to be able to see your assignments. So for example, you can take a photo of an assignment in a book and send it to us that way. At the top of my screen, there's an icon that looks like a phone. I'll press it now, but I won't open. And one that looks like a camera. Both of those will actually start a video call to us, but you should not use them because we won't answer to those video calls. If you want to talk to us in a video call, there's a button for that on the website, and I'll talk more about that in just a moment. The second function is that you can use to contact us is to upload a document or a file that you have. So this can, for example, be a text that you've written in Microsoft Word. Click on this button So you'll have to write your email address, and then you should write what you actually want us to help you with. Finally, there are 2 ways that you can send us text or other documents. You'll have to click on Add File, and now I'll show you the first way. Here you can select a file that you have on your phone, so this can be a Word file, for example, and that will be sent to us. The other way is if you've written in Google Docs, then you can send us the file more directly. You have to click here on More and then on My Drive, and there you will be able to see all the documents that you've written in Google Docs. Once you've done that, you have to click on Submit, and your files will be sent to us. If you sent us a Word document or another file that you uploaded by clicking on this screen, we will email you that document back when we've looked at it. So you'll get an email from us where we've edited your document. If you sent us a document from Google Docs by clicking here and then on My Drive, there will actually be a copy of that document, that text, created in your Google Docs, and we will be able to edit that copy to make changes directly in it that you will see. And for more details on that, you should check out the other video that I made about how to use our site when you're using a computer. Finally, there's a way for you to video call us by using this button. And you can always click on that button and it will take you to a video call, but we will only be there to help you at certain times in the week. And those times will be written on the website. So for Lund, for example, it's on Thursdays between 5 and 7 p.m. If you click on the button, then someone will be there to talk to you in the video call and help you. I'll now click on the button and show you what happens. So Hangouts will open, and you'll have to click Allow. And down here at the bottom, you can turn on or off your microphone and camera, and then you have to click Join. And then you'll be able to talk to us, and we will be able to talk to you and help you out. We will also be able to write you messages when you're actually in this call, and then they will pop up to the left here. A little speech bubble icon will pop up, and when you click that, you can see our messages. There's one more thing that I want to mention about the website. At the bottom of the website, there are 4 more video calls. These are extra calls. We use them if a lot of people are calling at the same time and we want to be able to talk with you alone so that it doesn't get so crowded. We can then tell you, for example, to go into room number 1 or video call number 1. You then have to click on this button that says 1, and that will work exactly like the call that I just showed you. And there will be a helper there to help you out. I hope that this video has made it easier for you to understand what to do when you want us to help you. And you're very welcome to contact us.